Welcome back to how you can use SRI strategy to trade in the market. And if you have not yet watched vlog 1, this is vlog 2. If you have not yet watched vlog 1, go to the description of this video and watch vlog 1. So guys, this is a simple strategy that is going to help you grow your account from $10 to $100, from $100 to $1,000 in just a matter of few months. So guys, stay with me. Welcome guys to vlog 2 of this, and vlog 1 was very amazing. That's I say, if you are not yet watch the vlog 1, go to the description of this video and go and watch the vlog 1, right? So guys, do well to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell if you have not yet to do that, right? So right now, let's go on to this video. Right now, if you are actually looking at the chart, this is CVP. Okay, you can actually see it here. You can actually see the pair here, CVP, CVP/USDT. Now we're actually looking for a particular time to actually buy in the market to actually sell, right, using the RSI strategy. Right now, if we move into this market, we're actually going to see that we have up, down, and there are people who want to actually make profit in the market with this method. So how are we going to make profit with this method? It's very simple. There's no time. So guys, if we look at the, like I said, what we'll be paying attention to is this over here. Now if we look at this, I'm going to actually teach you guys how to actually read this chart, right? You need to actually understand it so that you're actually going to know when to buy and where to actually sell. Now we buy at the highest point, right? No, we buy at the lowest point and sell high, right, to make profit in the market. So right now, how can we identify the low and how can we identify the high when we can actually sell in the market? Right now, we're actually going to go and be checking out the lowest low in the market, right? Lowest low in the market, right? I have two pair that I'm going to teach you guys today, so that once you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, I'll be uploading vlog 3, and that is all for this strategy, right? We have lowest low here, where you see the market break down, right? And you can actually see that these low are just high, right? These are just higher low, higher low in the market, higher low in the market. So you can actually see, and before we actually break down, right, immediately we break down, right? Now at this edge, immediately we break down, we have a line at this edge. Actually see, we have a line at this edge in the market. We have a line at this edge in the market that is going to actually identify where we can actually buy and where we can actually sell, right? You can see that the market touch this edge here. The market touch it, right? Lowest low. You can see lowest low in the market. These are higher low, higher low, higher low. You can actually see lowest low. This is the lowest, right? This is the lowest level that if the trend touch, that is the buy zone, right? That is the buy zone. Then you're actually paying attention to where you're actually going to sell in the market. So the market, the trend touch here, you can actually see immediately touch here, we have a bounce to the upside. So you can identify here as a buying point. You can actually see a good buying point, right? A good buying point. So assuming you bought from here, you have actually catch the market when it was here. So right now you can actually see the market pump to the upside. The market pump to the upside. You can actually see the market pump to the upside. You can actually see to the upside, right? Now how can we decide when to sell, right? How can we decide when to sell? It's a very simple strategy. We are actually going to pay attention very well. Right now we are actually going to check out these recent highs in the market, right? We are actually going to pay attention to these recent highs in the market, and if we check out this recent high, we have this, right? We have this, which is the recent high in the market, right? Every other high that will be here, don't pay attention to that. Let's pay attention to the recent high, right? If not the recent high, let's look closer, right? Now if we look at this uptrend, you're actually going to see this point here. So you're actually going to mark that point as a zone where you're actually going to sell, right? As a zone where you're actually going to sell. So once this trend touch this, once this trend touch this, right, we sell. That is the strategy. We sell, you make profit, you sell in the market. This is a 2 hour time frame. So let me say, so within like one day, 2 day, this trade has even enter. So that's it, right? Just make profit from the market and go out from the market. And if I be checking out, right, this was the recent high. You can see this is the recent high. And if we take profit at this range, which is, I can see the low here, you can see the low here, right, in the market now. And the trend touch here, we are making about when it touch, we are making about, let me say, 5% or 4% in the market, right? So these are just strategy that you can take daily to actually multiply your money. Now if we look here, we are actually going to find another low. We want to find another low. Let us actually leave this trend. Let us actually leave this trend over here. Let's go and identify other low in the market. This is a 2 hour time frame, so you can actually do this in a 2 hour time frame. So I'm teaching you guys how you can actually do this in 2 hour time frame for you to become perfect in this. Now how can we actually identify, right? Like we say, the bottom, master the bottom, know where the bottom is. You're actually going to see a line here, a tiny line here. That is the bottom. So every other high that is, you see high here, that is not what you're actually paying attention to. You are not actually paying attention to those levels. So you're actually paying attention when it only touch this low here. When it touch this low here, now we bought from there. Now if we look at this level here, it's talking about this level here. You can actually see this candle had a huge fall, right? After it falls, I mean, immediately, just think when you actually buy from this candle, right? We actually buy from this candle and the market rise. Now you don't pay attention to whether this trend high, right? Whether this market high or it doesn't high, whether this high or it doesn't high. What you are paying attention to is this point. You are paying attention to this level in the market. You are paying attention to this level in the market. Now this is your recent this is your buy level. Now this, the reason why you need to actually take this is because this is not a huge level, right? Now this is a very small level where you can actually see the trend goes up, down, up, down, up, down, right? Now there's what we call big level like this. Like we say, this another highest of it, right? This is another highest of it, right? This is the highest level of it. Now you just take trade on your small level because this is a very small level. So when the trade goes up, touch it, right? Like you can actually measure it, right? Like you can actually measure it. You can actually see this trade. This this is sorry guys, this is your buying point. I mean, this is your buying point, right? Because it's a small level, you actually take profit at this small level. But it's a big level, you need to actually pay attention to this, to recent levels in the market, right? To recent level in the market, because sometimes the market, it may not actually touch that level before actually bouncing back. So guys, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. I'm going to see my next video. Do it to go and watch the blog one in the description of this video, so that you're actually going to master more of this strategy. I'm going to actually give you more strategy that you can master using this method. So guys, we're actually going to move on to another strategy today. So right now we'll be checking out another pair. I have actually have the pair here. We'll be checking out another pair in the market where we're actually going to find this strategy, right? Now if we look over to pair here, if we click over, so guys, this is alarm. Okay, if we click over here, right? If you click over there, it's going to actually allow us to actually choose any pair we want to trade with. Now you're actually going to come here and choose AU CT. Okay, so this is the pair, right? This is the pair slash UADT, right? This is the pair. So once we move into this market, these are 2 hour time frame. Like I said, we want to actually identify when to actually buy 2 hour time frame, you can actually see in the market. So now, how can we identify buying points? Like we say, our normal buying zone is, yeah, this level and this level in the market. This level in the market. Now, immediately it touch, you can actually see it rise. So immediately this market touch down here, breaks down, it touch the low here, bounce up, you can actually see a huge bounce. So that means you should be making a lot of profit. And if I be taking out this coin, the buying rate which was on this low, we are talking about $4, $4.8. So it rise to you're actually making about 20% profit there, based on this strategy, based on this signal, based on the coin, right? Because sometimes it may give you 3, you have to actually say, don't pay attention whether it's rising here, right? Pay attention if it's rising here, right? This is your low, this is your low. So you have to set your target. Now, why do we set target on this? Let us say, assuming this was the low, the market was on this low. How do we set target? Where to actually set our target, right? It's very, very simple, guys. We are actually going to pay attention to the lows in the market. Now we have the markets keep trending down in the market, keep trending down, keep making sure that just like this, just you keep making sure that just like this, you can see you keep making sure that just like this in the market. So what you're actually going to pay attention to is taking from this level, right? Like I say, you don't actually, this is a very huge candle, this is a very uptrend, right? A very uptrend before we start breaking down like this, right? Now the point where we need to actually take profit is this level here, this level, which is this low, like I said, this low here. And if you measure that low, you're actually going to see that, and exactly, you can see exactly, just exactly, take your profit, you touch this trend, go sell out that coin to USDT and store it on your wallet. That is a very simple strategy you need on this. So guys, I will give you the last tutorial for this signal and how you can actually trade this signal for you to become professional and do it on your own. Like I say, if you have not watched the vlog 1, go to the description of this video and watch at vlog 1, right? And if you want to actually run Facebook sponsored ad, if you want to actually promote your product on Facebook, yes, go to the description of this video and you're actually going to get the link there. Purchase any of the offer, Facebook ad will start running for you, promoting your product. And also, if you want to actually make profit in the bear and bull market, don't need any price fluctuation, yeah, VT token is there for you. Down link down in the description. Also, if you want to actually register on exchanges like Binance and if you want to actually register on Binance, Gate.io and BinX, right? Those are very trusted exchanges, and you're actually going to get discount for trading fees, and you're actually going to get bonuses for any for any deposit you make, right? So that is it for all for today's video. I'm going to see my next class. Goodbye for now.